Hello respected teachers, this is Mr. Roshan Bhagat from Tuition Corner. I'm going to guide you how you can complete your profile verification process. In order to do so, log in as a teacher using your registered email ID and password. After login, tutor dashboard will be appear. Then click on the My Account section and then click on Profile Verification. So this is the profile verification page. To complete your profile verification, you need to upload some documents for address verification as well as for the educational qualification verification. But don't worry about the safety of your documents, as our website server connection is totally encrypted and safe, as well as your uploaded documents is only used for the internal verification process. For address verification, you have to upload the documents which contain your proper permanent address, like maybe your Aadhaar card, your driving license, your voter ID card or your passport. For education verification, you can submit the mark sheet of all your completed degree, and for all your pursuing degree you can submit the mark sheet of your semester exam or yearly exam, or even you can submit the ID of your college or university. Importance of profile verification. It's mandatory to complete all steps of profile verification to be a TC Guru and to get tuition jobs, as unverified tutors never get tuition jobs. Also, verified profile will get a verification badge which represent more visibility and authenticity of your tutor profile, and hence it's almost 25 to 30% more chance to get tuition jobs. Obviously, being a part of genuine and verified teacher group increases your tutoring business, as tuition jobs is allotted only to the verified tutors rather unverified one. Verified profiles are more visible and such profile rank higher in all list of tutors. Some tips and rules to upload documents and images. Documents or image size should be maximum 1 MB and upload with a good internet connection. And if you're facing any problem in mobile, it's better to use computer or laptop. If the image size is more than 1 MB, then you can resize it at this link, or even you can click on the resize your image here, this link. You can upload a scanned copy, or you can take a clear photo from your mobile. The file size allowed are JPG, GIF, PNG, JPG, PDF, doc and docs. Make sure your profile photo or work photo should be professional one or not casual one, because that may create a bad impression of our student mind. After uploading images and documents, click on Save to save the uploaded documents. Now I will show you how to upload documents in live. all the mandatory profile verification process is completed. Now if you wish, then you can upload your CV or the upload work photo. Work photo means the photos in which you are teaching your students. So this is how you can complete your profile verification process. Thanks for watching this video. If you further need any assistance, you can call us on the given number.